Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are keeping fine. So, let us continue our new chapter, that is Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. Today, let's read from page number 34 and 35. Please, all of you, look at your books. "Take me home," said Aladdin, and to his surprise, he soon found himself with his mother. The two were very happy. They sold all the gems and lived happily. In this paragraph, it says that after the genie told him that he can do whatever he wished, then he asked genie to take him to his home. Then, as soon as to his surprise, he was found himself in his house with his mother. Now both of them, they were happy, so they have sold the gems and they lived happily. One day Aladdin saw the old lamp which he had brought from the cave. It was lying in a corner of the house. "Let me clean it," he thought. The minute he rubbed it, a voice roared like thunder. "I am the genie of the lamp. I am your slave and you are my master. What do you wish for?" In this paragraph, it says that one day Aladdin, he saw a lamp. His eyes went to the lamp which he had brought from the cave, and it was lying in one of the corner of his house. So he was thinking in his mind, "Let me clean it." And when he took, and at that moment when he rubbed the lamp, a loud voice roared like thunder. It came out from the lamp, a loud voice, and it was saying that, "I am the genie of the lamp. I am your slave and you are my master. What do you wish for?" The genie of the lamp was saying that, "I am your slave and you are my master. What do you want? You can ask me." Aladdin was surprised. Soon, with the help of the magic lamp, he became the richest man in his city. He married a princess and lived in a palace where every wish of his was fulfilled. Here it says Aladdin was surprised to see a genie from the lamp coming out. Soon, with the help of him, with the genie's help, he became the richest man in his city. And he also married a princess, and both of them, with his mother, they were living happily in a palace. And every wish, whatever he wished, it was the genie was fulfilling for him. The powerful magician had gone away for some time, but was soon back. This time he had another plan. He took a basket full of lamps and went around calling out in the streets, "Change your old lamp for the new one." For time being, the magician had gone away for some time. He did not come in that palace. So after that, soon he came back. For some time he was not there. After that he came back, and this time he had another plan. He took a basket full of lamps. The basket was full of lamps, and he was calling out in the streets, saying loudly that those who want to change your old lamp with a new lamp, you can change your old lamp for a new one. One of Aladdin's helpers heard his call. She told the princess, who gave the old lamp and got the new one in exchange. She had no idea that the old lamp was in fact the magic lamp. When Aladdin came back, he realized that the magician had tricked him. In this paragraph, it says that one of the helpers of Aladdin's, the one who is helping in Aladdin's house, she heard, and then she told the princess that if you want to give away the old lamp and get the new one, then you have to exchange. Then the princess had no idea that the old lamp was a magic lamp. So she gave away the magic lamp to the magician. When Aladdin came back home, he realized that the magician had tricked him. He realized that the magician had fooled him and he had taken away. So, however, it was too late. The old man had taken away his palace and the princess too to his own city. It says here, when you have realized at that time, it was too late. Already it was very late, and that magician had taken all his golds, whatever his treasures, whatever his palace, even his wife, his princess also he took away to his own city. Once again, Aladdin took the help of the magic ring. With the help of the genie of the ring, he found a princess. Aladdin bought a powder and asked the princess to mix it in the magician's drink. As soon as the magician drank it, he fell unconscious. Here it says that once again he took the help of a magic ring. The first help he got from when he was in the cave was a magic ring, a genie of the ring. The second he got from the magic lamp. Now again, the third time again he took a help from a magic ring, genie of the ring. So he found with the help of genie princess, he found out his princess. Then Aladdin had bought a powder and he asked princess to mix it in the drink. So the princess mixed the powder in a drink, and as soon as the magician drank it, he fell unconscious. Unconscious means fell into a deep sleep. He doesn't realize, so he fell asleep. Aladdin found the magic lamp that the magician had stolen from him and rubbed it. The genie appeared. He asked the genie to bring the palace back to his city, which the genie did at once. Aladdin and the princess lived happily for many, many years. Here, after he fell conscious, Aladdin found the magic lamp which the magician had stolen from him. By his trick, he took away his lamp from him, and then he rubbed the magic lamp. Then the genie appeared, and he asked genie to bring all his palaces back to his city. Then the genie did whatever he said he did at once, and later Aladdin and the princess lived happily for many, many years. So my dear students, hope you all have understood the story. Please go through once again, read the whole story. So till then, take care. Thank you.